We just took in this beautiful 2022 Dutchmen Astoria 2913 FK. It's got 2 slides, weighs less than 7,400 pounds, and is literally perfect for a couple traveling. Let's go check it out. Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. As always, my name's Taylor Quill. We're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona, and today we got another special one. This is a 2022 Dutchmen Kodiak 2913 FK. It's a double slide out, weighs like 7,340, loaded, which is kind of nice, and it's literally set up perfect for 2 people traveling. You're not going to fit all the kids in here, all the cousins, but if it's just you and the missus or you and the significant other, it's literally going to be perfect. So let's start right here at the corner. 7,340 GVWR, cargo carrying capacity 2280. So a good amount of cargo. Tankless water heater right there. Side vision cameras, very nice plus. You do have electric leveling jacks. They're push button. You'll see them on the other side. And then it is a front kitchen, so you have one of your gray dumps right there. Does have an LED strip on the front. Of course, some of the LED diodes are already gone. Pretty normal. Electric tongue jack. Couple propane tanks, and then 2 batteries back here too, which is nice. Passenger side is where a lot of the fun is. Both slides are on the driver's side. Does have an exterior solar connection, so you can hook in a panel. There's the other side vision camera. There's the control to control these leveling jacks and see it moving just a hair. Does have an inverter in here, which is nice. A nice sand track. Looks like an 1800 watt solar controller, because there is actually solar on the roof too. There's only 1 panel, but hey, perfect for a trickle charge. Nice long awning, not positive on the awning length, but we'll see if we can figure it out. LED strip under the awning also. Back of the furnace right there. Back of the fridge, because it is a front kitchen. Nice step above, solid steps. I'll fold inside when you're ready to travel. Area to mount your TV. Hookups for that TV. A unused refrigerator. City water connection, fresh water. Tires, 225/75 R15s. Date code 1521. I mean, it is a 2022, so they should be dated 21. All right, that little window right there is in the master bedroom. See your leveling jacks right there for the rears. Has a little hitch on the back. Fully fiberglass, and it is a crowned ceiling too, which is a big plus. Give you a quick shot over in this corner. Try to stay behind the sun. Oh, can't do it. All right, let's check out the roof too. Let's go see what that has going on. All right, here we are on the roof. Little vent cover, or little vent right there. Solar panel, first AC, Winegard satellite system, second AC unit. This is a 50 amp power service unit. Like I said, crown ceiling, so a little sketchy if you got to get up here, but overall, all the caulking looks really good up here. I guess it should for being a 22. Give you a quick shot before we hit the glare. Does have down below here some sewer hose storage, and you can see the other dumps up there, but we'll get to it. This slide out does have a nice storage area. Power cord stores perfectly in here. It's actually pretty big. You don't have a front pass-through storage, so this is your biggest storage on this exterior of this Astoria. Looks like cable-driven slide there, cable slide there, black tank flush, the other dumps, pull and pull. And then there's your big old 50 amp power cord, some more coaxes. All right, it's gonna be a little glary coming up on this corner. That's a quick walk of the exterior. What do you say we head inside and check that out? All right, so right when you walk in, directly to the left, you have your control panel. Straight ahead, you have your slide out. So we got control panel right here, slide awning, water heater, ceiling lights, standard stuff. Get that door shut. Here is your slide, 3 foot deep, houses a little double recliner right here. This is not mounted down. You could put whatever the heck you wanted in this area if you wanted to change it. I'm sure initially it had 4 white chairs here for this standard dinette, or not standard dinette, but for your table and chairs. Looks like probably got an ottoman. I'd be surprised if it came with the recliners. Maybe, I doubt it, but they match the color. So you can technically seat 4 people at the dinette. Here's a quick shot of the galley. Look at that pantry, big old pantry. And then the front kitchen. I love front kitchens. They're out of the way. They give you a bunch of space in the galley. I mean, this is one of the biggest feeling kind of, 30-foot house units I've seen here in a while. Does have a front little window. It is kind of hard to get that up and out of the way. Oh, there you go. Very, very nice. Apron front. Farmhouse sink. Not completely sold on the gold, but hey, that's a personal preference. A very nice little faucet right there. Then you got your inverter kind of control panel right there. A decent amount of drawers. That one is a trash can. I got to readjust the alignment on this drawer. There's a couple imperfections on here, but we will fix them. We just took this thing in and I had to show it. It's super, super cool. The best part still to come. Overhead storage. It's not very deep because of the front cap, but it's there. Got a gray stone microwave with a hood with a fan and a light. 3 burner gas stove top. There is another window right there with metal shades because it's close to the stove top. Little baby oven. And then I think he had furnace down there if I'm not mistaken. Breaker box. Dometic 2-door fridge and freezer. I kind of wish I had a slightly bigger fridge in here for how set up it is for 2 people. But, I don't know, small complaint. Skylight right above. No way to cover that, so you always kind of got this ambient light coming in. And it does have a couple little pockets right here to store some stuff. It will kind of move and flex. Quick shot of that panel if you want to know what's on here. So this coach, I said for 2 people because you have literally only a queen bed in the back. There is no additional sleeping. Yes, you could technically have a couple brewskis, recline that, push it back. You're drunk enough you could probably fall asleep, but probably not your first option. Little rip and tear on that. I probably just ripped those off initially. So, entertainment center right here does have a little fireplace in there. Your multimedia device has a very small amount of storage there and right side. TV is on a mount, you can move it. You can see AC vents all over the place, but your pantry, I wish there was a light in here because it is a little dark, but you got a pantry in here. Now the coolest, most unique part about this trailer actually happens right behind the entertainment center. So I kind of hid the hook so you couldn't see it, so you didn't have an idea. There's a magnetic thing right there. But you open this bad boy. Look at that. You have a whole extra little storage room that has a combo washer dryer in it. Super neat. Hookups all right there. Power's back there. Another little kind of storage area. I think the fridge was probably outside. That's why it's not super, super tall in terms of the storage, but very, very cool. I've never seen that. I've never seen a combo washer dryer unit standard in a trailer, so I thought that was pretty unique. You could literally live in this thing and be pretty happy. All right, a couple little LED lights, area for the paper towel. Similar style shades throughout. It is only blackout shades, no daytime shades. That's going to be for everywhere in here. Like I said, double AC. We do have it on. It's kind of nice in here. I only got one running. Pocket door to get into the bathroom. Pocket door to get into the bedroom. I'll answer that question of what that is here in a second. Decent size mirror. Double vanity. All right, I'm liking it. We'll fix that. Good storage down below. Couple drawers. Similar style storage right there. You know, that's so funny. I just saw this. I looked in this dang bathroom and I'm like, where the hell is the toilet paper holder go? I didn't see anywhere that would be comfortably set. So I'm like, what do you try to open that while you're on the pot to grab some TP? That wouldn't make sense. You're right here. Maybe you go up above. I didn't know, but now we have the answer. You put a toilet paper holder somewhere. You're still going to have an issue here. You're going to be reaching for some TP pretty far. Honestly, I mean, maybe right there in front of the sink. I don't know. What are you going to do? All right, so fiberglass shower. Looks like a one-piece fiberglass for the top and then the pan. Surprised they didn't do gold faucets in here. Little shower caddy in the corner. And then we do have some vanity storage. You already saw that lower one, but they added some extra plastic shelving in there. Very cheap little thing. You can take that out and put whatever you want in there. Now your vent does have a little fan in it. It's not a fantastic fan, but there's power there, so you can upgrade it. And you can see ducts all over the place. 2 ducts in the bathroom, which is nice. And there is a separate AC, like I said, mounted right there, so this place can get pretty dang chilly. All right, let's answer the question right out the gate. Yes, I came into this RV and this piece of molding fell off. It's kind of cool. You can see some of the slide mechanisms, which is neat. Literally, framing nails is all that holds these molding up, so we end up replacing a lot of them. But hey, we will do that. I'm sorry how shoddy it looks right now, but it's a great little setup. This, hold on, I'm gonna set you guys down. Let me do a little arm measurement. It's a dang king bed right here. There is some storage under here too. It's gonna be pretty hard to see, but a very fair amount of storage down below. Now this slide out comes in pretty deep. It's probably about 30 inches, close to 30 inches deep. I'm pretty sure those are like a light strip that they put on to give you a fancy little starlight headboard, I guess. I'm not really sure. Kind of interesting, but also kind of nice. And you got a couple of storages, a couple drawers. The storage on either side is the same. Got a little note from the previous owner. You got 6 drawers just like that. A nice little pop-up power center. You can get that out of here or bring it back up. Now this cracks me up. So you have a nice big window shade right here. Let's check out how big that window is. Oh. That's the window we saw from outside. A little interesting, they give you this shade that goes all the way down, yet your window is only about 8 inches tall. So a little different, a little unique. What are you gonna do? I stopped asking questions about manufacturers a long time ago because half the things they do don't make sense. But guys, that's an interior walkthrough of this 2022 Dutchmen Astoria 2913FK. I can't believe I remembered that. So of course we got to see what this looks like with the slides in. So let me go hit that button right there and we'll get these slides in. All right, remind me, I got to show you these printouts before I let you go. So your front kitchen slide, 3 foot deep, is in. The rear slide is also in. It's probably about 8 inches less in size. When I was once a skinny man, I could fit through this little crease I just put my phone through. Not so much anymore. But if you are not 200 pounds and can suck in the gut, you can fit through there. Use the bathroom, use the vanity, go take a nap. Nothing really in the bedroom changes minus the accessibility to those cabinets. Technically, if we want to do some laundry, you can. That's your access to the laundry. Obviously, pantry isn't affected by any means. And you could even still have a really good viewing angle to the TV. Or make some food, get a brew, whatever. All right. We're selling this coach for $39,995. Let's see if we can straighten out this camera. We have a 50 freshwater tank, 39 black, 78 gray, couple AC units, 13.5 BTU outputs. Overall length 31 feet from tip to tip. Now, here is some of the interior features. I didn't see an option list, so I'm not sure if this thing had any available options. They made these Astorias in regular trailers and fifth wheels. And then there's like a little, printout of the Astoria story and everything. All right, so now we got to get the awning in and all the compartments shut. So I'm not going to open this door so you can see that, but we're going to see what it looks like in travel mode. I will be right back. All right, that awning is in. Got a couple other small things we got to do. So with these solid steps, one suggestion, make sure your door is open as far as it can go. Otherwise, that little guy right there is going to hit the door going in. These are great. You just lift up, push in, bam, that's it. And look at me, I forgot the LED strip under the awning. But here is how it looks while you are traveling. It's going to be a much bigger difference on the driver's side because that's where the slides are. Now everything's in minus the power cord. Don't judge me on that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully I answered a question if you are looking at one of these Astorias, if you're just putting around online. Leave me a comment, shoot me a like. Let me know what I could do to improve these videos and make them a little bit more fun to watch. I will put all my contact info on the screen if you have any questions, or if you want to inquire about buying this Astoria, $39,995. You're welcome to text me or email me. Generally always available on my cell phone. So thank you so much for viewing, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys all have a great day.